We as a company see a lot of trends right now that we truly believe will evolve and come into full play over the next 5 years. And an event like this is key for us to basically ensure that we can transport that message, and that will basically help us guide through that evolution. Quite excited about it.
I think this event's really useful because that way I can get a one-on-one time with a customer, really find out what their needs are and how we can really approach them in the most strategic way. Just really nice interpersonal skills you can develop. The atmosphere here today has been very buzzy. I've really enjoyed it. It's great that we have the morning and afternoon slots for 2 days in a row, because in the morning we can offer them a coffee, in the afternoon we can have a drink as well.
Oh, this show is so big, the territory, and there's so many different organizations here and hundreds of speakers, so this is an amazing event. Thank you for having us here.
Good speakers, very nice speakers, and a lot of vendors who could provide solutions in the space. Yeah, it's an important perspective from an industry getting a forum like this. Yeah, it's sharing and learning. Yeah? That's what it is. Great.
It's finding people like myself here to support that conversation. The cultural streams as well are really interesting in terms of like the diversity in terms of the industry. So yeah, I'm looking forward to networking.
It's a great atmosphere. It's a good show. It's always been a good show for us. So yeah, it's a great atmosphere, good people.
The quality of engagement has been far better than we expected. Yesterday was actually really meaningful, really good conversations, and some really interesting ones as well. Meaningful leads come through as well. So, and that's what the show is all about. So it's been really positive for us.
You get a whole wide range of visitors. You potentially get your next biggest client. From an innovation perspective, it's amazing to see all the different angles on traditional kind of technology plays. So it's good from that perspective too.